According to the announcements made by parliamentarians, the European Parliament has struck a historic accord over the regulation of cryptocurrencies. Transactions of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, along with standard bank transfers, will now be subject to the same anti-money laundering restrictions as traditional bank transfers, as part of the new guidelines. The news that was made on Thursday comes after Bitcoin had its worst quarter in more than a decade, with its price plummeting from near to $50,000 to below $20,000 over the course of the last 3 months. It adds to prior losses since Bitcoin hit an all-time high of about $69,000 in November, which means that the world's most valuable cryptocurrency is now down more than 70% since it reached its peak. The total value of the cryptocurrency market has dropped from about $3 trillion to below $900 billion, erasing the holdings of both individual and institutional investors along the way. Similar to the GDPR policy that was implemented in 2018, it is anticipated that the newly enacted EU regulations would have widespread implications for the whole cryptocurrency business. Stefan Berger, a German member of the European Parliament who led the negotiations, stated that today, "We put order in the wild west of crypto assets and set clear regulations for a homogeneous market." The recent decline in the value of digital currencies demonstrates how extremely high risk and speculative they are, and that it is essential for us to take action. The European Union, EU, stated that the deal would make it more difficult for cryptocurrencies to be used for money laundering or the financing of terrorist organizations, while simultaneously achieving a balance between the protection of investors and the promotion of competitive markets. Some of the most influential players in the business have voiced their approval of the provisional rules that will regulate crypto assets, stating that they will provide a transparent and efficient worldwide framework for the industry while also safeguarding customers. There is a real desire for a clear set of rules to protect individuals and businesses who have already adopted cryptocurrencies, to weed out bad actors, and to encourage others to adopt crypto as a result, said Petr Kazajakov, CEO of crypto payments firm Mercurio. There is a real desire for a clear set of rules to protect individuals and businesses who have already adopted cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is undergoing rapid change in order to reflect an innovative and dynamic environment. Unlocking the potential of our industry and allowing for even more widespread acceptance and application would be made possible by an efficient regulatory environment.